I've been using Anki for over 10 years to study Japanese, and it is by far the best way to learn vocabulary, especially when you know thousands of words but don't encounter them every day. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create gorgeous, fully customizable Anki templates to learn vocabulary. This video assumes you're at least familiar with the basics of Anki, like creating cards and synchronizing with your online account. First, we need to install an add-on. For that, go to Tools and then Add-ons. If you don't already have the add-on Japanese pronunciation pitch accent, click on Get Add-ons. Then you'll be prompted for a code, which you can find by clicking on Browse Add-ons and searching for the Japanese pronunciation pitch accent add-on. Copy and paste the download code into the Anki software and click OK. Restart Anki and the add-on will be installed. Now we're going to create our deck. I'm going to call mine Vocabulary. Now we're going to customize our cards. Start by clicking on Add, then click on the current type. Mine is the default Basic. Click on Manage, then Add. When you add a new card type, it will duplicate a previous one. Just duplicate the basic type for this and rename it to Vocabulary. You can now close this window. Highlight Vocabulary in the next screen and press Choose. What we've done here is associate the card type Vocabulary with all cards we're about to add into the Vocabulary deck. This means that when we customize the design of these cards, they won't affect your other decks that aren't using the Vocabulary card type. Now we're going to Fields and rename these fields Expression, Pronunciation, then add a third one called Meaning. Make sure you spell these the same way I have here. Type in the word you're learning today. By typing in kanji and pressing Tab, the pronunciation will automatically generate. This is because of the add-on we installed earlier. This add-on not only shows the reading of the kanji, but I like it because it indicates the pronunciation pitch. Add in the English meaning and continue to add your cards. When you're ready to customize, click on the Cards button. Then, in the front, styling and back sections, you should copy and paste the code I have provided in the video description. While you're down there, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn notifications on. Once you've pasted in the code, your cards will suddenly be looking a lot better. I've included instructions in the code, so you can customize the background, either with a gradient or image, all fonts, colors, and gradients. Let's see how it looks now. To change the gradient color, visit the unaffiliated website I have included in the code. Copy and paste the CSS into the appropriate areas for both the top box and the bottom box. When changing the color of the English meaning text, I like to choose a shade that is in the middle of that box's gradient. This is the quickest way to find something that matches. You can also change the color of the left and bottom borders, as well as the thickness and radius. Let's take a look at some more examples. Finally, you can add a gradient background or background image. To add an image, you have to save it in the Collection Media folder, where all your Anki folders are stored on your computer. The image won't automatically resize to fit the background, so you have to resize it yourself. I'll leave a link in the description box below to some free stock image websites. With this Anki code, you have endless customization options. Have fun customizing, and most of all, learning! Visit the Benkyogo website for full details and blog posts about this customization, as well as plenty more hints, tips, and resources to self-study Japanese.